We are going to show how to embed a list into a Blackboard page. So I'm on my Twitter homepage, twitter.com, and I'm signed in. I'm going to go over to this right drop down, and I look down and I go to Settings. And this is where I would change my password or email notifications. My profile is there, and there's a new button here. There used to be another way to get here, but this is a new way. They call it widgets, and a widget is a way to put one website inside another. So whenever you embed a YouTube video into a website, essentially you are creating a widget. So I'm going to click on widgets, and I can create different kinds of widgets. I have 3 that are already here. When I click on them, I'm going to click on Create New, and it's showing right here, it's showing a widget of my tweets. I can do my favorites, I can do a list, which we're going to do, or also a search. So when I click on List, it's going to come with a drop down of all of the lists I either follow. You can tell if it's somebody else's list because it says @ somebody else, and then you'll see the list that I've created. And I'm just going to select educational, and you can see it's over here. And I have to put something in domains. I'm going to put in blackboard.montclair.edu. I don't know if that does anything, but you can't create the widget without doing that. I'm going to opt out of tailoring because the only reason I'm involved in Twitter is I like to tailor Twitter for myself. And I'm going to click Create Widget. And I'm going to grab, so copy and paste the code. I'm going to copy the code from there. And I already have Blackboard open. And I'm on my home page, and this plus sign, I'm going to hover over it, and I'm going to create a blank page. We're going to call it Twitter List Feed. I'm going to make it available to users, and we're going to click Submit. And now I have a page that I can paste that into, but what I want to do is I want to make sure I've clicked the HTML source code. So I'm going to click that with the 2 carets, and I'm going to paste my code in. And then I am going to submit. And there is that Twitter list feed, and I can tell that students can see it because my edit mode is now off. I'm going to turn it on, and now I'm going to turn it off. So this will be what students see. And then over here on the left of my home page, you can see my Twitter list feed is there. So that's within my page. If I go to, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go into courses. I'm going to select this course. And there's my Twitter list feed. And that will continually update. I don't have to do anything else. If I add anybody to this list, they will update here. I don't have to be involved in updating the code. It automatically is going to pick up my educational list. If somebody clicks on it, it'll take them to Twitter to see the list itself.